So you have heard about whitewashing, right? So what is whitewashing? It is an example for combination reaction actually. Okay, so in whitewashing what is happening? Let's get into the reaction. Okay, so actually we are taking calcium oxide. Okay, calcium oxide means we can call it as quicklime also. Quicklime. That is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. And when we are reacting this calcium oxide with water, what we are getting? We are getting calcium hydroxide, right? It is slaked lime or slaked lime. Okay, calcium hydroxide. Okay, so actually we are taking a white powder and we are mixing it with water. Then we are getting slaked lime. Okay, then we will apply the slaked lime on the wall. Okay, so what is happening after that? We are taking the slaked lime and actually we are applying it on the wall, right? So what will happen? This slaked lime will react with carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and after 2-3 days what will happen? A white coating will be formed, right? So that is due to the formation of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Okay, so along with that we will get water. Okay, water will be eliminated during these period of time, and along with that white coating is actually what? White solid coating is actually calcium carbonate. Okay, so actually what is happening? Calcium oxide, we are getting it as white powder and we are mixing it with water, right? Then we are getting calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime. After applying it on the wall, what will happen? It will react with carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and after 2-3 days we are getting a white solid coating on the wall, that is actually calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate. So this is the chemical reaction which is occurring under this whitewashing of walls. Okay, this is actually an example for combination reaction. In this step you can see two reactants are reacting together to form a single product. So we can say that this first step of this reaction is an example for combination reaction. Thank you.